not a live. This is an announcement. I had just come off of a live Facebook. We've had an awesome time. I said I'm going to go try to get something to eat. Couldn't figure out why I'm not able to eat. It's not because I'm not hungry. I really want to eat. But for some reason, it's like the Lord had me so that I wasn't able to eat. Then while I was live, the power went off in this room. And I'm standing here like, Lord, what in the world? People who are familiar with this room are like, that has never, ever happened before. But those that know me know, if they were texted in, that one of the things that follows my ministry is interruption of electrical circuits. But here is what I saw. Now listen. Houston and the Deep South, including the Gulf region, but centered in Houston, we are going to feel tremors that's going to begin in the ocean. I saw a earthquake that happened underground in the water in the Gulf of Mexico, and Houston shook. Houston shook. Houston shook. Galveston shook. And I was getting ready to just get up, and it was like I felt the calming of the Holy Spirit says, calm down. Now listen deeper. And I was like trying to hear what I was hearing because I was hearing it. But I couldn't make out what I was hearing. And once I stopped and quieted myself, I realized the ground is shaking. Houston, prepare. Earthquake is coming. Houston and the greater Gulf Coast area, prepare. Earthquake is coming. The earth is shaking. The ground is shaking. But the origin of it is coming from outside in the Gulf of Mexico. It's coming from the water. It's coming from within the ocean. It's coming from within the Gulf of Mexico. An earthquake underground is going to cause a shift in a plate. And I'm seeing the billions of gallons of water go down into this opening that's going to occur underground. And I'm seeing the sea level on the Gulf Coast drop dramatically because of it overnight. That's what I saw. And I know what I saw. I know what I saw. I know what I saw. And here it comes. And don't quote me on this part, but I have a feeling it's soon. It may be before the year is over. Earthquake is coming. Houston, prepare. All right? Blessings to you. Begin to pray. Begin to sound the alarm. Now, I know some won't believe, but what are you going to do when it happens? So here is what we have to do. We must pray now. Pray now. Because it's getting ready to happen. I see houses on a coastline in Galveston, in Corpus Christi, in other coastline cities falling into the water. I was trying to move on. I'm tired. I'm tired and hungry. But Houston, an earthquake is coming. Prepare yourself for it. Overpasses and underpasses will collapse. A state of emergency will be declared. A state of emergency will be declared. It will look apocalyptic, but it's going to begin in the ocean, and it's going to reverberate into the inland. And when it hits the land, it's going to be so big. Feels to me between a 7 and a 9. This is a big one. This is not a little one. This is a big one. There are things happening in LA, but this is going to happen in the South. When? I don't know. Write it down. Write it down. Okay? This is not about me. It's about blowing the trumpet. It's about warning the people. I saw it. I was still sitting here trying to get ready to get up to go find something to eat, and I couldn't understand why the Lord won't let me eat yet, because he wanted me to see that. And I sat here and pondered over, like, why am I not moving? And it's because the Lord wants me to warn the earth. An earthquake is coming. Houston, an earthquake is coming. Galveston, an earthquake is coming. Pray and ask God. You pray and ask God to intervene.